Now, over the next 10 days, the Reggae Girlz could create more history as they go in search of their first Olympic Games qualification, but they must get by the Games defending champions Canada and will be over 2 legs. More in this report.
It's almost 10 years since Cedella Marley became the ambassador of Jamaica's women's football program.
I was like, what does that mean? Like, did I get my own embassy?
Over that time, she has seen the senior Reggae Girlz qualify for 2 consecutive World Cups, and there could be another historic moment as the girls vie for their first Olympic Games berth. It would be one of the biggest moments in Jamaica's sporting history, but it's a feat that will not be placed on a platter.
Listen, I'm excited for them, but I'm also anxious, you know. Watching, I mean literally, watching the girls play actually makes my heart skip beats, like literally. And I don't think it's going to be an easy series, you know. We are facing the current Olympic gold medalists. Not only that, but Canada left Australia in the first round. So they also are coming with a mission.
According to Cedella Marley, the Reggae Girlz will need all the help they can get at the National Stadium on September 22, and she has one request of the JFF.
I would also love to see JFF provide tickets to all the national team players, you know, past and present, because this legacy really belongs to all of them. And if you don't know your past, you don't know your future. So we have to remember how the legacy started.
In revisiting the historic performance by the Reggae Girlz at the recent FIFA World Cup, Marley admits that she was a bit nervous ahead of the tournament, but was reassured by the players they would advance beyond the group stage.
Some said never, but never done come. Those are the words of Skip Marley. And when it comes on to this Reggae Girl World Cup campaign, those are the words that resonate with me. They said it and they did it. And I will never question them again, because I was very nervous.
But despite all the girls' achievements over the last 6 years, Marley argues they still have to be fighting for respect.
Seeing that often that same voice that they have continues to be disrespected, disregarded, that disappoints me. I think the players have proven themselves again and again and again, and still it feels like they still have to fight for the same basic requirements, you know.
Next Friday's game at the National Stadium will kick off at 7 p.m. with the return game on September 26 set for a sold-out stadium at the BMO Field in Toronto, Canada. Karen Madden, TVJ Sports.